Argan oil benefits and source. Benefits: skin moisturizer, hair conditioner, sleek and shine styling, anti-aging, dry skin conditions, acne, protection and healing, pregnancy, foot, hand and nail treatment, lip moisturizer. Now Foods Organic Argan Oil Review. Description: Now Solutions, 100% pure and certified organic. Argania spinosa, the Gold of Morocco, multi-purpose oil. USDA Organic, Expeller pressed and Hexane free, certified organic by QAI. Suggested use: for dry skin, apply a liberal amount where needed most. For hair, rub a few drops between hands and run through hair to add shine and reduce flyaways. Or add a few drops to your favorite Now Solutions product and mix well. Other ingredients: organic argan oil, Moroccan, 100% pure, from tree nuts of argan tree. Warnings: caution, do not ingest this product. Keep out of reach of children. Keep away from sensitive areas. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.